In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use multiple accounts here on Roblox Mobile, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. There's multiple methods for this, and we're going to be going over all of them. The first method is the official method, and it works on both iPhone and Android, but essentially have that Roblox app open up, go ahead and hit more down in the bottom right corner, and then from here scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see a switch accounts tab on here or a log out tab on here. Go ahead and select either one of those two options and log into your other Roblox accounts, and this will let you switch between accounts, but only one account can be logged in at a time inside the app. The easiest workaround for this is by staying logged into account number 1 here on the Roblox app, and then go ahead and back out of Roblox and open up a Safari web browser. And then from here, go ahead and head to roblox.com. Once you're on here, go ahead and hit continue on browser, and then log in with your secondary device right here or secondary account. Now you'll have one account open up in the Roblox app and one account on the mobile browser. And since on an iPhone you can't play on both accounts in the app at the exact same time, this is a very good workaround. Now, if you are on an Android, the next best method is by simply cloning the app. You could do this by opening up the Google Play Store and installing an app like Parallel Space, Dual Apps, or Island. And you could actually clone the Roblox app and log into a different account in each app. This will let you run multiple Roblox apps and stay logged into multiple accounts at once. But that is it. I really hope this video did help you out. I'm looking into methods to running split screen or two instances of Roblox at the exact same time on an iPhone. So make sure you're liking the video and subscribing with all notifications on so you don't miss that when I upload it. But if you did have any questions on this method, make sure to comment them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.